Today we're at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard with the iToolco 10K puller. We're here with electrical contractor William Schaefer & Son. In a moment, we're going to do a pull. 4 lines, 3 pieces of 300 MCM and 1 4-aught all aluminum. Should be an interesting pull. We have Dave here. Dave, what size conduit are we working with today?
3-inch PVC.
3-inch. We've got to get the adapter for that. Everything's located on the cannon. You don't have to have different parts somewhere else. You won't lose anything. This is how the machine arrived at the job. We're going to go over to our conduit. Okay, Dave, we're going to walk this into place. Turn the thumb screw. That's it. We're going to slide out the universal adapter. We're going to set in. We're going to go around the rope. We're going to set in the 3-inch conduit adapter. Tighten the thumb screw. Drop this into the conduit and we're ready for a pull. Right now we're going to set up the real jack stands. As you can see, I'm handling both stands, unlike the competitors, which I cannot handle both stands. Set them in place. Got my axle set up. Pull the pin. Raise. Slide into the axle. Reinsert the pin. Drop this down to the next available hole. Same on this side. Pull the pin. Raise. Set up in the axle. Reinsert the pin. It's that simple. Now, all you got to do is raise your axle simply by cranking this. Get one side started, just jump to the other side. Couple turns of the crank, and this reel is in position. All right, so we're in our pull. Dave, what do you think so far?
So far it's been nice and smooth.
This is doing all the work, because on the other end we had the reel jacks, and then what did they say on the other end?
It's saying it's pulling effortlessly off the reel jack that we have in our seat. The machine's doing all the work.
All right, we're on the feed side of our pull. We have 3 reel jacks with 300 MCM wire aluminum, 1 with 4-aught aluminum, and 1 with 1-aught aluminum. As you can see, it's rolling in there very smooth. Each stand has 2 bearings, 20,000 pound capacity. So in one setup, you have an 80,000 pound bearing capacity. That's why it moves with no effort. Paul, so what do you think so far? How did the setup go?
Setup's great, easy to set up, running good, going in smooth. No problems at all.
Everything's rolling off nice, right?
Yeah, not a problem.
All right, we just completed the second pull here. 400 foot of cable. We started out on the low speed side of this iToolco 10K cannon at 18 feet a minute. Once the head of our pull passed into the conduit, we were able to switch to the high speed side, which enables us to pull 40 foot a minute. How'd it go, Dave?
It went real smooth. Came off the reel jacks over there nice and smooth, and this thing barely bogged down at all.
So there you go, iToolco 10K cannon, job's completed. Okay, we're wrapping up here with Bill Schaefer from William Schaefer & Son Electric. What you think, Bill? You saw the high speed and low speed.
It's nice. The high speed really makes a big difference as far as pulling twice as fast at least. The machine had enough power to handle it and really worked well. We liked it.
Okay, thank you. 40 feet a minute on the high speed side today. Now, tool storage. On the rope tender, move the leg. Take your reel jack stand, slip it over the tubing. There's one. Step to the other side, lift your reel jack stand, set it over the tubing, replace the leg, set your pin, complete it. Now we're ready to go. The rope tender serves as a hand truck. You're carrying your 2 reel jacks and your stand. And we're off.